So for our last quiz of the unit, I'm going to go back to the menu example we started with and ask you to define classes that provide behavior that will allow us to represent main dishes and appetizers. So both main dishes and appetizers have some properties in common. They all have names and prices, and they both might have a description as well as an indication of whether they're appropriate for vegetarians or not. These have default values of none and false. A main dish comes with sides, and the default number of sides is 0. An appetizer doesn't come with any sides, but it serves a variable number of people, the default being 1. So your goal is to define a dish module that will provide this behavior. It will define types for at least the main dish and appetizer. We'll be able to create a main dish, passing in a name, a price, and then optional description and vegetarian parameters. When we print out a main dish, we'll see the name of the dish, followed by the price. If there is a description, we'll see that. Here's another example of a main dish. This one has 2 sides and is vegetarian. And when we print this out, we'll see the star meaning it's vegetarian and that it has 2 sides. We can also create appetizers. And appetizers have names, prices, might have a description, might have vegetarian, and might have the number of people they serve. And we can print out an appetizer, and it'll print out the name, the price, extra information like a dish would, as well as the number that it serves. Here's another example. We're creating an appetizer with a description that serves 3. And we'll see it prints out the description followed by the serves. So your goal is to define a module that provides this behavior and to do it in a way that reuses code as much as possible. You want to avoid having any unnecessary duplication of code. Doing this well will take advantage of several of the things that I've introduced in this class.